Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, remote start, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, power lift gate, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.